Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm here to talk about Capital One, where I work as a team lead and front-end specialist. A couple years ago, what I knew about Capital One was it's a big bank, and they have some pretty sweet commercials. At ng-conf 2016, though, the Capital One presentation really caught my attention. I was surprised to hear developers from a big bank talk about using tech as experimental as server-side rendering with what we were all then calling Angular 2. So I decided to learn more, and as I met Capital One engineers throughout the conference and later visited one of the campuses, I heard this really compelling story about a vision and culture rooted in technology. And that prompted me to take a chance and make a career move. Today, I'm really happy that this conference led to that career move because I found that that tech culture promise wasn't an empty one. At Capital One, I'm encouraged to experiment with new ideas and new tech at all layers of the stack. It's the first big bank to really embrace the cloud, and everything that I work on is deployed to self-service AWS infrastructure. And open source software is embraced by building on it, contributing to it, and sponsoring projects like Webpack and this conference. Specifically in the front end and Angular space, there's always interesting opportunities to work on challenging projects, like building a component library on top of the CDK that we heard about in the keynote today, intended to support our dozens of internal and external facing Angular apps, or migrating one of the largest single-page apps that I've seen in the wild from Angular JS to an NGRX-driven Angular app. Most importantly, at Capital One, I'm surrounded by a group of diverse and talented engineers, and that pushes me to constantly improve and learn more. So if you're interested in hearing more about Capital One, our Angular work, sharing knowledge about your work, please come see us at our booth in the center of the back room. Please also bring your swag card, which you can return for a donation on your behalf to one of 2 charities of your choice. There's nobody there to ask what's in your wallet and sell you a credit card, just some of those talented people that I mentioned earlier who would love to meet you and talk tech. So thanks a lot.